What's up, you guys? Can you hear me all right? So, honestly, I'm a little flustered. I apologize. I barely made it here. Didn't think I was going to make it. Was on a plane. I've been over in Bali for the past 2 months. Not to flex or get any craziness in here, but been over there. Needed to decompress. Right? This shit has been nuts. Been over there completely disconnected. No phone, no internet. Went crazy. Got like jet skis. I rode an elephant. Then I was like, why don't I just buy this elephant? You know what I mean? They're not that expensive. I mean, they're a little expensive, but they're not expensive for us, right? So I got this elephant. I bought like a couple cottages. I bought this whole town. I don't know. They don't live there anymore, but I live there now. I have it. I can go whenever I want. Got really expensive, but like, again, who cares? You know, I just slap that on the old credit card, and as soon as I'm done with here, thank God, I'm just going to go straight from here, cash out that Luna, and it's going to be fantastic, man. It's no big deal. So anyway, things are cool. Why don't we do some audience participation? Why don't we? You guys good for this? You guys want to get a little blood flowing? Okay, this is what we're going to do. I want to divide you guys into dogs and cats really quick. The way that we're going to do this is I'm going to say the word dog, and if you prefer dogs, I would like you to bark for me. Okay? And then I'm going to say the word cat, and if you prefer cats, I would like you to meow for me. Do we understand the rules of this game? Okay. Ready? Dog. Good. That was good. That was good. That was good. You're a good boy. And we're not going to do the other one because, let's be honest, you don't care. That's a joke about the behavior of dogs and cats in their relation to human beings. I hope you enjoyed it. Speaking of dogs, I am adopted. I am what they call a rescue. It's very exciting. People that adopt kids do not do research. Do you know anything about adoption? You know nothing about the kid you're adopting. Nothing. That's a major life decision. You don't know anything about the kid that you're adopting, which is not something I would do in any other life decision, you know what I mean? I wouldn't do that with like a car, you know? I'd want to know if it'd been hit. You know what I mean? Doesn't mean I wouldn't buy the car, I just want to be prepared for its inevitable breakdown, you know? But this is what we do. We come up with something called kid facts. You know what car facts is? You know this, where you can research a car, know its accident history and everything. Kid facts. I'm a big fan of this idea. Investors, come talk to me afterwards. If you and your partner, or you by yourself, let's say you and your partner are in the market for a kid, you go into kid facts. You can be like, sweetheart, I found this 2020 model. It's only had one previous owner, and it comes in white. You know what I mean? Speaking of which, I was literally adopted from the next door neighbor, so I'm essentially a cup of sugar, which is fun. Let's do this one real quick and see if I get in trouble from the organizer. I'm actually a stepfather. Speaking of kind of a quasi adoption thing, you know. I just got married recently and became a stepfather. And anybody have stepkids? Anybody? No one has any children at all. Nobody's made poor life decisions like myself except for the one person in the back. Good job. You as well. Congratulations. I see the tattoos. Way to go. I was looking at my stepson. I was outside playing hockey with him, just like in the street, you know. And he's 14. Look at him, and it just hit me. You know, if you have kids, you know, there's these moments, especially if you have stepkids. There's these moments where it hits you, and it hit me that when I look at my stepson, I know that that is proof that another man has had sex with my wife. You know? And if you were to do a little bit of research, you can discover very quickly that on average it takes 80 separate sexual encounters to get pregnant. So I know that when I look at my stepson, I know another man has had sex with my wife 80 times. And then if you continue to research, you can find out that there are 80 separate thrusts per sexual encounter. So when I look at my stepson, I know that another man has railed my wife 6,400 times. And then I remember that I have 2 stepsons. You're going to do that math later. Okay, so we're going to do this little PolkaOscars thing here in a second. But before I do, I want to ask, did anybody come to Comedy Church the other night? Yeah? Did you guys have fun? Very, very glad that you came. Thank you for coming. I know Midtown is the 7th circle of hell. Thank you for coming up there and participating in that. If you don't know about it, look into it. Great project we're doing with Moonbeam. Very, very excited about it. I was raised religious. I was raised Mormon. I was a missionary and everything. Clearly, it didn't take. Anyway, just wanted to give a quick shout out. But before I actually bring up the award winners, I have an amazing opportunity to actually announce a special guest that's here. Truly unbelievable, and this person is actually in the audience right now. So instead of doing the traditional just bringing this person up, I'm going to let you find this person because you're all going to know who this is. So look around, first person to see, because it won't be any question. You see? Just shout out as soon as you see. I know you guys know. Can you see? I'm seriously looking at him right now. Like, can you see? Come on, you guys know. I know you know. So anyway, now you know how I feel when religious people tell me that they know, that I know that God exists. See what I did? Which is also a little bit like some NFT projects. Let's bring people out, shall we? Why don't we do this thing? That's all I got for you. Thanks. I Googled Luna before I came up here. All right, I have cards, so we're going to read some stuff. So, Polkadot Ambassadors program has grown significantly in a little less than a year. We are currently 2,247 candidates and ambassadors according to the data provided on October 31st, 2021, and our amazing community continues to grow. It is a fact that our ambassadors have made an enormous contribution to the success of the multi-chain future by educating our community about Polkadot technology, organizing workshops and meetups, and pushing forward Web3 technologies for mass adoption. So, first person, this person's not here. We want to give them credit. In the category of ecosystem builders and advocates, this PolkaOscar recognizes ambassadors who tirelessly champion the initiatives and community-led projects across the Polkadot ecosystem that encourage new builders to join and existing builders to push boundaries of innovation. So let's please congratulate Shi Kai Wei as the winner of this award. Awesome, congratulations to Shi. Next up, and this person is here, in the category is for anti-scam heroes. Thrilled to announce Brett Kolodny as a winner of this award for his tireless efforts in helping to ensure the Polkadot community and ecosystem remains an open, fair, and secure place for Web3 innovation. So please give it up for Brett.
Thank you. I'm going to keep this kind of short, but I just want to say thank you for everyone for being here and everyone in this community. I'm truly proud to be a member of an amazing ecosystem. And I just want to give a special shout out to a few people who really onboarded me into the community and without who I would not be here today, and that is Dan, Urban, and Hutch. I don't know if Urban and Hutch are still here, but I really owe them everything that I have right now. So thank you.
Congratulations, Brett. And finally, we come to the Community Leader Award. So let's give it up for Chris Wade for being a leading figure in the Polkadot community and taking part in projects and contributing to the ongoing growth in Web3 in ways too numerous to list. And I believe we have somebody accepting this on behalf of Chris.
Hi, I'm here on Chris's behalf, and yeah, he could not make it, so I'll just accept it on his behalf. And that's for Chris, and I have a message from him which I'll just read out. So Chris says, being a part of the community is a volunteer role. However, the people you get to meet and the knowledge you get to learn and share makes it hands down the best community out there and a really fulfilling experience. It's fun to be a part of something and watch it grow to what it has become today. Big thanks to Hutch and Dan, as they did a great job at starting this community, and Elodie does a great job at keeping it growing. Thanks to the Web3 Foundation for putting in continued effort into the program and getting them involved in events like Decoded. It wasn't long ago that a project reached out for the community's help in helping test their testnet for minting NFTs. So there are great opportunities and outcomes, and super excited to see, and congrats and thanks to Parity for doing this, and thanks to Unique Network for the PolkaOscars proposal. Getting involved with the community opens doors to projects and opportunities. I would just say, reach out to your friends who are not sure how to get involved in the ecosystem, and also to friends from communities of other parachains. We as individuals and contributors can be interoperable too with our contributions. So have them sign up for the Ambassador program and see the magic. Thank you.